Where's Vivian? Where's Vivian and Daddy?
What are you doing?
What are you doing, Vivian? Climbing Mount Everest? Are you giving Daddy a massage? Huh? What's that? What's a massage? Are you...
Very good. Out. Out. Out.
You're making Daddy say ouch.
Out. Oh. Where's Vivian?
You climbing Daddy's bum? Yeah? Gentle. Good girl. Gentle. Pet nicely. At the kitty. Pet Oliver gently. Oh, that was a little too much for Oliver's taste. Okay.